Morning. We're at Casper's school here on the things, just having a little bit of a nosy round, but look at the beds. So they have a sleep around early afternoon. They all have their own beds. So there's the names are on there. So there's a playroom and then they turn it into a bedroom so they can have a sleep. Wow, there's a workshop.
Wow.
And then they've got this area here, which is all set up for them for breakfast. So they all come in and they all have breakfast in the morning. How fantastic is that? Really, really good. We've come out the school area now and we're in a little play area, doing a jigsaw at the minute.
Good boy. Oopsie daisy. Get in. Come on. You go in. Come on. Well done. Good boy. Good boy, well done. Oopsie daisy. Keeps breaking on you, doesn't it?
Yeah. Quite a good little play thing.
What are you going to do?
Well, we're in one of the playrooms again, play areas. It's just coming up to 3 o'clock, so it's about 1 minute to. So at 3 o'clock that alarm should go off. So I've just opened the window so we can see if we can hear it. I suppose in real life I don't suppose it's something you want to hear, but no, we've never heard one before, so it's 2:59 by my clock, so we'll see. So it should be in the next, within the minute. I've been chucking it down the road today, so contrast to every other day that we've been here, so I suppose we've been really lucky. Well, by my reckoning, it's 3 o'clock. Not hearing anything yet. Oh. Maybe there's a malfunction. Yeah, it has. You can just hear it. I don't know if you can hear it on this camera, but you can just hear it. Yeah, you might be able to hear it now. We're up in our room. It's a nice hotel, but the rooms leave a little bit to be desired. There's a big TV there. We're upstairs. There's a microwave. There's a second kettle. There's a kettle in the room, but there was no cups. About to go and get some. It's a tiny room.
Yeah.
I don't think it's quite what Christine expected.
No, it's not.
However, it was only 50 quid for 2 nights. So, it is what it is. I think Christine's idea was to push the 2 singles together, but it's pretty much impossible in here. There's the showers. Shower and toilet. There we are. So, anyway. So this is the digs for the next couple of nights.
You tell me what they are.
Cupboard, Santa Claus, mermaid.
Where's the mermaid?
Mermaid. Mermaid.
Where's the mermaid? Who's that?
Mermaid.
Oh yeah, well done.
Mermaid. Mermaid on it. Mermaid on it.
What is that? What's that? Seaweed. What's that? A whale. I like the octopus. Which is the octopus? Octopus?
Yeah, octopus. Octopus.
Well done. What's that? What's that, Casper? What's that?
Fish.
Fish. What's that? What's that?
Whale.
A whale. What's that? What's that?
Mermaid.
A mermaid. Well done. What's that?
Ah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
What's that?
Machine.
That's a fish. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, it's just. I don't know what that is. Nothing. It's just black. What's that? Shark. That shouldn't be in there.
Wheel.
What's that?
What up?
It's a pufferfish. That's a turtle. Turtle. Mm.
Yeah.
What's that? Starfish. What's that? Jellyfish. Well done.
Yep.
Tiny fish, isn't it?
Salted.
Tiny fish.
We've left Voru now and we're heading north to Tallinn. We've got 2 nights just on the outskirts of Tallinn. We won't be there while tonight. We've stopped here on the way because there's a Hollywood sign. Christine's off up on the bit where they clean the lorries. I don't know why she's going up there. I think it's because she can get closer to the sign. But that's for that there's for cleaning the tops of lorries, what she's up on. There's toilets and stuff here. Some places have showers. Truck park. So, but anyway, we've stopped for that, which is get that away from the trees, which is the Hollywood sign. So actually the place on that building there is called Holly Food. Okay, we've just arrived at our digs for the next 2 nights. So we've come up from Voru. We're on the outskirts of Tallinn. So like I say, we're here for a couple of nights. This is where we're staying. I'll show you the inside. I think that's where Christine's going now. We're just going to grab some stuff and I'll show you the inside.
Oh. Whee! Hey, way! Clever boy.
Very good, Auntie.
You're good at rock climbing, aren't you? You're a very good climber. Good little climber. Yeah, you're a good climber. Wow! Woo! Oh. Papa Steve's hat. He's got your hat. Hmm? Oh dear. Let's have a look. What's that? Oh wow. What? Oh, the plate. Yeah, yeah. All the time, yeah. Yeah. A lot.
And you have parents coming in and...
But they don't go in, they go in the hall and watch them in the hall. They don't go in the actual school, in the classrooms.
Would you?
Pardon?
I don't think you took your shoes off, would you? Shoes would have been off. Shoes would have been on. You wouldn't have
Another
gone,
crystal.
you know, like we
What are them? What are they, Casper? What are they?
Tweezers.
Tweezers. Done. Oh, they're quite heavy, aren't they?
Thank you. Where was that one? That one go. That one go there. Yeah.
So you can do it on its own? No.
No.
Yeah, okay.
To go around the corners, look. That one will go in the corner. And that one. Oh,
Another corner there.
where's the other corner?
No.
Where am I looking? There. That one go in the corner there. Yeah. No, not that way. There, yeah. Have a look. Yeah.
Well done.
Well done. Where's the corner one gone? He had it a minute ago. That's it. That one on there. That one on there.
Good boy.
That's it. And then
I think the flowers are on.
that's at the bottom.
Oh, God bless you.
Dear. You keep sneezing. Are we missing some here?
Fox.
It's a fox. Well done.
Well done.
It's a fox.
Yeah, it's a fox.
That one there. That's it.